Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back today to share with you some completed diamond paintings. These are two that were sent to me by ColorfulDIY for review. And I finished them all up. They're both 30 by 30, so they're nice, quick and easy paintings to finish. And I have all the extra drills to share with you guys. I would have to say quality-wise, they're just average. There's nothing special, but there wasn't anything terrible. I didn't run out of any colors for either of these paintings. And I think the images turned out okay. Let's start with the first one. So the first one is this cute girl with glasses. Now, I'm not super keen on the colors. After putting them all down on the canvas, it makes it look more pixelated because the colors aren't a closer match to show the shading, right? So you're seeing like some very severe color changes. But from a distance, it looks fine. It's just up close, obviously, that you're seeing a major color difference. The sparkle is awesome. Yeah, and it still is a really cute image. It's different compared to some of the others that I've done, but really great. So this one was girl with glasses. Right here, again, I did not run out of any colors. I still have tons of all of the colors. And again, quality-wise, there were no issues with this one. Everything was great. Canvas is nice and sticky. No issues there either. So let's put that one up to the side. The next one is probably my favorite, Mickey and Minnie. So cute. I love all of the pink tones. I think this one turned out absolutely gorgeous. And again, the sparkle is really great. I love it. This one was wonderful. And again, tons of drills left over in every single color. Did not run out of any colors. There's even this background pink. I have like a full container left of it. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, so it's another snack size diamond painting website, ColorfulDIY. I will have the links to these two and the website down below, so if you guys want to check it out. Again, thank you to ColorfulDIY for sending me these products for review. They were really fun and work up really nice and fast and easy for the 30 by 30 sizes. That's super great. Check it out. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.